Beep 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 beep. Da 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 da. Oh! Welcome one and all to an unboxing. Republic Boutique. It's an Australian boutique, Sydney boutique. If anyone doesn't know, they stock designer brands. Yeah, check them out. If you can't tell by the title, this is a Professor.E unboxing and review of the brand, because I think it's a really cool brand and I think everyone should check it out. Talk about the brand itself, the item I copped, and just my thoughts and opinions. And yeah, maybe some outfits, I don't think so. But Professor.E is a Taiwanese brand, and all their garments are made in Taiwan. Probably should have wrote a script or something, but fuck it. Yeah, Professor.E is a really cool brand because the concept of it is like built on this like sci-fi character concept. You know, they work a lot with like fabric, stitching, and a lot of distressing. Not so much distressing, but just like wear over time, a lot of frayed fabrics. There's a lot of deconstruction, edge trimming, you know, that sort of stuff. Sort of like timeless pieces, but they have a sort of an edge to them, which I think is really cool. It's sort of a contemporary spin on timeless garments. And so this is the packaging. It's super cool. There's a lot of detail going on. It's just got a lot of like small little things. This says Professor.E on it. Their logo is sort of like this manuscript sort of font. And then the Ziploc bag opens, and what I got was a pair of pants. I'm not sure if you can see these, but they're what they call it on the Republic website. They call it the track pants, and here on the tag it's spring summer 21 E track pants, size 50, black. Fabric is 55% polyester, 45% wool. Fabric 2, 55% acetate, 45% polyester, and fabric 3 is 100% cotton. It was made of 3 fabrics. I'm pretty sure fabric 1 is this is the actual outside, so I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's a pinstripe sort of wool-like fabric. And then fabric number 2, I'm assuming, is the trimming. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like a distress band that runs all the way down the side and on the waistband itself. And then fabric 3 is, I'm pretty sure, it's the cotton, and that's just the lining of like the pockets. It's got this beautiful like floral lining. And then here you can see the tag. Extremely beautiful piece. Yeah, just amazing quality. I think it's definitely worth the price. It's sort of a mid-range, high to mid-range brand, but I think the pieces definitely are worth it. I mean, if you want to see the tag, it's got tons of details on it. It's sort of like this like baking paper sort of thing. I don't know how to explain it. It's got more tags, like really like distress sort of, I don't know, it's sort of like I don't know how to explain it, but just like it's not like cardboard, but it's like plasticky. It's all like fucked up and shit. You got another tag here, and then it's got a little mantra sort of poem text thing down here. And then you got the Professor.E extra button that they give you with garments. These sort of small little details like in the hang tag is what like it differentiates, like really shows that a brand really like puts time and effort into a garment and makes it worth whoever consumes its while. It just shows how much a brand cares about their product. Like small little details like hang tags are like super important, and I think are overlooked in a lot of brands. Yeah, on the hang tag it says the mantra for the season, I believe. When one lingers away from the crowd, the distance aparts us, hence of the edge was defined. But the edge does not only interpret the end of something, but also the possibility of a new beginning. Professor.E. So absolutely incredible pair of pants. All the pockets, so it's got 2 side pockets, and both side pockets have a zip closure, and it has 2 back pockets. And both back pockets have zip closures as well. You know, sort of that track pant element to it. And it's also got belt loops as well, so, you know, if you want to use a belt with it. That's why I went for size 50. I'm pretty sure I'm a true to size 48, but I went to size 50 because I think the silhouette, the wider silhouette is what I'm looking for, and it gives me options on like how high to wear it, because it's got quite a large rise, so I can wear it high-waisted, or I can wear it like on my regular waisted and just have it like sort of drop crotchy, more baggy sort of style. And a big detail of the pants is that the bottom is vented on the side. So you can see here, it's got a small little vent. It sort of like pleats or stacks the pant across the shoe, and it looks really beautiful. I don't have my shoes in my room right now, but I can show it with like slippers or sandals, and I think it looks incredible. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is how the pants look like on. It's very loose and baggy, like a track pant should fit. So Professor.E I think is a really cool brand. It sort of bridges the gap between avant-garde design but something more classic, timeless, and more everyday sort of wearable garments. And what I love about the pieces that they create, there's always like some distinguishing feature that is really unique and you don't see anywhere else. Like for these pants in particular, they've got the track pant sort of relaxed cut. The material is just so luxurious that it sort of comes off more dressed up, more classy, and it's got this really unique like side fabric paneling, and then a vent at the bottom, which really creates a relaxed silhouette, which I've been looking for in a pant. Yeah, and I think just overall it's a piece that's both casual and dressed up and classy at the same time. Because of the silhouette and choice of fabric, the combination of the two just really creates this unique piece that I think is super sick.